Hey there, mathletes. Ever thought of math as the ultimate video game? Well, buckle up because today I'm going to take you on a wild ride through the levels of math, the ultimate game of numbers. Level 1, we're counting apples. Super basic, right? But don't get too comfy, because a bug here can stall your progress. No worries though, grab the Arts and Crafts expansion pack and keep going. Zoom ahead to level 10, algebra. This is where we start hunting for that elusive X. It's like finding hidden treasure, but with numbers. Next up, geometry. We're talking shapes, angles, and the legendary SOH car toa. Yeah, we're still finding AX, but now it's all about those right triangles. By level 15, we're deep into calculus. Derivatives and integrals are your new best friends. And trust me, early specialization here can make or break your game. Multivariable calculus? New elements like oranges and bananas join the party. Fast forward to levels 18, 20, and we're tackling linear differential equations. Now you're questioning the very existence of apples. It's a mind-bending twist in our math saga. Reach level 25 and beyond, and you're in the endgame abstract proofs and discovering the universe itself. The progression slows down, but the rewards? Mind-blowing. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, why not check out related games like physics, engineering, or computer science? They're all connected, and you might just find your next big quest there. So ready to level up in the ultimate game of numbers? Keep playing and keep learning, and who knows, you might just reach that math endgame. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome content. Catch you in the next one.